Welcome! In this video, we'll guide you step by step through setting up and packing down the Sibley tent. Let's get started. This model is the Apex 500, but the instructions also apply to models from 400 to 800. The Sibley comes in a carry bag with a center pole, A-frame for the door, pegs, and guy lines. Unroll the ground sheet. The straight edge marks where the door goes. The canvas is already attached to the ground sheet. That saves time. Use the small pegs to secure the ground sheet. Start at the door and work your way around. Keep it tight. Unzip the tent door. Unfold the center pole. Make sure the hook at the top is properly aligned. Bring the pole inside. Place the top against the roof, then position the bottom in the center of the ground sheet. Partially unfold the A-frame and remove the rain cap. Bring the A-frame in through the door and secure it at the top. Reattach the rain cap. Tie the frame down securely on both sides. Place the bottom ends into the ground sheet sockets and fasten the ties. Zip the tent fully closed. This keeps everything balanced during tensioning. Start with the guy line at the door. Slightly tension, not too tight. Then attach the remaining guy lines around the tent. Each line should follow the seam for even spacing. Use at least 2/3 of the line length for proper tension. Adjust all guy lines with the sliders. If needed, use short guy poles to get the right tension. Proper setup helps rainwater run off the tent smoothly. The tent is pitched. The tent has 4 windows with mosquito mesh. The Sibley features a double zipper, unique to this model. It lets you switch easily to 360-degree mosquito mesh for added light and airflow. The door also features full mesh protection. Time to pack up. Loosen all guy lines and remove the pegs around the tent. Remove the rain cap from the A-frame, untie the straps, gently lift the A-frame out of the ground sheet sleeves and fold it down. Grab the center pole at the base and walk it out of the tent. Remove the pegs from the ground sheet eyelets. Fold the tent in half with the seam aligned to the door, then fold it twice more. Tip: use the carry bag as a guide for the correct width. Roll the tent tightly toward the bag. Pack everything back into the carry bag. Your Sibley is now neatly packed and ready for your next adventure. Thanks for watching, and happy camping!